Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vegetarian tom yum soup. First, let's tackle the key ingredient swaps. Instead of fish sauce, opt for soy sauce, tamari, or a specialized vegan fish sauce to maintain that savory depth. For shrimp paste, miso paste or rehydrated dried shiitake mushrooms offer a fantastic umami flavor. Always start with a robust vegetable broth and choose plant-based proteins like tofu or your favorite mushrooms. The heart of any great tom yum lies in its aromatics. You'll need about 2 stalks of lemongrass, bruised and sliced, to release its bright citrusy notes. A 2-inch piece of galangal, thinly sliced, will impart a warm, peppery depth. Don't forget 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves, torn to unleash their distinctive fragrance. Finally, 1 to 2 fresh Thai chilies sliced will provide that signature spicy kick. Now let's build that incredible broth. Bring 5 to 6 cups of vegetable broth to a boil, then add your prepared lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Let these simmer for about 5 minutes to fully infuse their flavors. Next, introduce your chosen vegetables, like sliced tomatoes and mushrooms. Season with 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and a teaspoon of sugar to achieve that perfect sweet, sour, and salty balance. For the final touches, add your chosen vegetables. A cup of sliced mushrooms like shiitake or oyster works wonderfully, along with 8 ounces of bok choy or 1 cup of cherry tomatoes. Cook these for just 1 to 2 minutes until tender crisp. Turn off the heat. Then stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and a handful of chopped cilantro. Taste and adjust the seasonings to ensure your vegetarian tom yum soup is perfectly balanced and absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.